I am John B. G. Villar, PSCRIM 2 Alpha, reciting set of knowledge, vision, mission, strategic goals, core values, quality policy of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a globally recognized state university. Mission, Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instruction, impactful research and extensions services with strategic partnership and modern infrastructure, shaping effective leaders to effective service to serve the Philippine society and the world. Strategic goals. Negros Oriental State University will aspire, achieve global recognition through by program excellence. S. Strengthen research through impactful innovation. P. Promote enhanced community extension services. I. Integrate partnership and internal relations. R. Revitalize infrastructure with operational system. E. Enrich student life and leadership opportunities. Core values. Shine. S. Spirituality. H. Honesty. I. Innovation. N. Nurturance. E. Excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commits to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance to all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously to work to improve our management system and to meet our quality objectives. Vision, mission, criminology education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing the community with professionally upright and morally competent graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In the pursuance of the stated above mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study which are well planned. These courses of study utilize didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunities and instructions and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. 2. It provides the students with a broad cultural background and an understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process of law insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. 3. It fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and leadership and understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. 4. It inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. 5. And encourages research and inquiry in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is a graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologists and is registered by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to RA 6506 Section 23. Define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in any criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or government qualifying examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following instruction positions: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Probation correctional officer. E. Correction probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. H. Lie detection. I. J. Law enforcement photographer. Yeah. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent agent in any law enforcement agency. J. Security officer. And K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Resolution Commission Resolution number 93, number 98, 30, 22, criminologist eligibility would apply for the appointment from the PNCO rank of PO1 up to the PNCO Police Commission Officer with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act number 6975, Section 33. Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are any vacancies. 11 general orders. 1. To take charge of dispose in all companies' properties in view and protect and preserve them with utmost diligence. 2. To walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always on the alert and observe everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all calls from posts more distant from the report all violations of orders and instructed to enforce. 4. To report all calls from posts more distant from a guardhouse beyond station. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass out all orders. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard. All order from company officers, superiors, officials, superiors, post in charge, or shift leaders. 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9. To call superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. 10. To salute all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials, commission officer of the EFP, and officers of the PNP. 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging and to challenge all persons on or near my post and allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority, and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. The law enforcement code of ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind. to protect lives and properties, to, pro- to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against deception, the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men, equality to all men, to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all, maintaining courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn, or ridicule, develop self-restraint, and be constantly mindful in the welfare of others. Honest and thought on both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the land. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I hear, whatever I see or hear of confidential in nature must will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously, permit personal feelings, prejudices, animosities, or friendship to influence my decisions. With no compromise for crime and with relentless persecution against criminals. I will enforce I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear of favor, malice, or ill will, never accepting gratuities in return. I recognize the badge of my office as a public faith and accept it as a public trust. I shall wear it with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess only while I fulfill this solemn obligation. Police Officer's Creed. I believe in God, the Supreme Being, the great provider, and the creator of all men and everything dear to me. In return, I can do, do no less than love him above all, seek his guidance in the performance of my sworn duties, and honor him at all times. I believe that respect for authority is a duty. I respect and uphold the Constitution, the laws of the land, and applicable rules and regulations. I recognize the legitimacy and authority of leadership and follow and obey legal orders of my superior officer. I believe in selfless love and service to people. Towards this end, I commit myself to the service of my fellow man over and above my personal convenience. I believe in the sanctity of marriage and the respect for women. I shall set the example of decency and morality, and shall have high regard for family life and chastity. I believe in the responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. I shall inhibit myself from ostentatious display of my property. I shall protect the environment and conserve the nature to maintain ecological balance. I respect the private and I respect private and public property and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in the wisdom of truthfulness and must be trustworthy and shall speak truth at all times as required by my profession. Ten Commandments. 1. I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. 2. Thou shalt not use the name of the Lord in vain. 3. Remember the Sabbath day or Lord's day. 4. Honor your father and your mother. 5. Thou shalt not kill. 6. Thou shalt not commit adultery. 7. Thou shalt not steal. 8. Thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. 9. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's wife. 10. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's good. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Mission of the Philippine National Police. Mission: the PNP shall enforce the law, prevent and control crimes, and maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety and internal security with an active support of the community. Vision: employing the aid of Almighty, by 2030, we shall be a highly capable, effective, and credible police service working in a partnership with a responsive community towards attainment of a safer place to live, work, and do business. Mission of the Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP. Mission: to prevent and suppress destructive fires, investigate its causes, and provide emergency medical and rescue services, and, enforce other fire-related laws with active involvement of the community. Vision: a modern fire protection agency working towards a safe place, a safe and progressive society. Mission of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology or BGMP. Mission: to provide human safekeeping and developmental opportunities for persons deprived of liberty and the promotion of public safety. Vision: by 2040, a world-class agency highly capable of, providing human safekeeping and developmental opportunities for persons deprived of liberty. Core values. Core values. Katao, matatag, may integridad. Core competence. CAR-T. Continuous skills enhancements for personnel. Ability to establish linkages and partnerships. Resolve planning. Timely decision making. And expedient implementation. Laws. BP. Bata. Laws. PD. Presidential Decree. ARA. Republic Act. PD number 1185. Fire Code of the Philippines. PD number 704. Revising and consolidating all laws and decrees affecting fishing fisheries. PD number 533. PD number 532. Anti-Piracy and Anti-Highway Robbery Law of 1974. PD number 533. Anti-Cattle Rustling Law of 1974. PD number 449. Cockfighting Law of 1974. PD number 968. Probation Law of 1976. PD number 1602. Anti-Fencing Law. PD number 1602. Prescribing stiffer penalties on illegal gambling. PD number 60603. The Child and Youth Welfare Code. RA number 9514. Foreign Code of the Philippines of 2008. RA number 7636. Anti-Subversion Law Amendments. RA number 6981. Witness Protection, Security and Benefit Act. RA number 832. Anti-Electricity and Anti-Electric Transmission Lines or Material Pilferage Act of 1994. RA number 353. An Act to provide the possession of deadly arrow. RA number 9165. Comprehensive Dangerous Drug Act of 2002. RA number 6425. The Dangerous Drug Act of 1972. RA number 7877. Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1985. RA number 8505. Rape Victim Assistance and Protection Act of 1998. RA number 1700, Anti-Subversion Law. RA number 7659, an act to impose death penalty on certain heinous crimes. RA number RA number RA number 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. RA number 4136, Land Transportation and Traffic Code. RA number 7080, an act defining and penalizing crime of plunder. RA number 7610, Special Protection of Children against sexual abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act. RA number 9299, an act converting Central Visayas Polytechnic College into a state university known as Negros Oriental State University. RA number 9160, Anti-Money Laundering Law Act of 2001. RA number 6968, an act punishing the crime of Cooptita. RA number 7438, an act defining certain rights of person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation. RA number 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practice Act. RA number 6235, Anti-Hijacking Law Act of Prohibiting Acts Inimical to Civil Aviation. RA number 8049, Anti-Hazing Law. RA number 8177, an act designating death by lethal injection as the method of carrying out capital punishment. RA number 8353, the Anti-Rape Law of 1997. RA number 6505, RA number 6506, an act creating the Board of Examiners for Criminologists. RA number 1131, an act regulating the practice of criminology profession in the Philippines and appropriating funds thereof, repealing for the purpose of Public Act number 6506, otherwise known as the Act creating a Board of Examiners for Criminologists in the Philippines. Panunumpa ng watawat. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatan nanumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansa kanyang sinasagisag ng mga panunumpilayan at pinakikilos ng sabihin ng motiros o kakalikasan ng katao at mga bansa. Police Officers Pledge. I will love and serve God, my country, and people. I will uphold the Constitution and obey legal orders of the duly constituted authorities. I oblige myself to maintain a high standard of morality and professionalism. I respect the customs and traditions of police service. I will live a decent and virtuous life to serve an example to others. Police Code Covenant. I shall recognize and will always be conscious of the fact that police service is an honorable calling, thus compelling me by strictly adhering to the provision of the Code of Professional Conduct and Ethical Standard. I bind myself to promote, enhance noble ideas and aspirations of the code of my professional life and ensure that its tenets shall be honored at all times. This is my personal covenant. The Firefighter's Prayer. when I am called to duty. God, whenever flames my rage, whenever flames my rage, give me strength to save some life, whatever be its age. Help me embrace a child before it's too late, or save an older person from a most uncertain fate. Enable me to be alert and hear the wiki shot, and quickly and efficiently put the fire out. And according to my faith, my days should come to an end. Please bless your protecting hand, my family and friends. Panunumpa ng kawaning gobyerno. Ako ay kawani ng gobyerno. Tungkulin ko na maglingkod ng tapat at mahusay. Dahil dito ako ay papasok ng maaga at magtrabaho ng lampas oras kung kinakailangan. Magsilbi ako ng magalang at mabilis sa lahat ng nangangailangan. Pangangalagaan ko ang mga gamit at kasangkapan at mga pag-aari ng pamahalaan. Magiging pantay at makatarungan ang pakikitungo ko sa mga lumalapit sa aming tanggapan. Magsasalita ako laban sa katiwalian at pagsasamantala. Hindi ko gagamitin ang aking panunungkulan sa sarili kong kapakanan. Hindi ako hihingi or tanggap ng suhol. Singkapin kong maragdagan ang aking talino at kakayahan upang ang antas ng paglilingkod sa bayan ay patuloy na maitaas. Sapagkat ako ay isang kawani ng gobyerno, tungkulin ko maglingkod ng tapat at mahusay at sa bayan ko. At sa panahong ito, ako at ang kapwa kong kawani ay kailangan tungo sa isang unlad masagana na pagmamapayapang Pilipinas. Sa harap niyong lahat, ako ay taus-pusong manunumpa. Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build just and human society and establish government that shall embody our ideals and aspiration, promote the common goods, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure ourselves and our prosperity, the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and legitimacy of truth, justice, love, equality, and peace, and to ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Pananumpa ng lingkod bayan. Katungkulan ko ang maglingkod ng buong katapatan at kahusayan. Makatulong sa katatagan at kaunlaran ng aking bayan. Sisikapin kong patuloy na maragdagan ang aking kalaman. Magiging bahagi ko ng kaayusan at kapayapaan sa pamahalaan. Susunod at tutulong ako sa pagpatupad ng mga umiiral na batas at alintutunin na walang kinikilingan. Isasaalan ko ang interes ng nagkakarami bago ang pansarili kong kapakanan. Isusulong ko ang mga programang mag-aangat sa kabuhayan at mamayan. Aktibo akong makikibahagi sa mga dakilang layunin sa lipunan at hindi ako magiging bahagi at isaswalat ko ang mga anumang katiwalian na makakaabot sa aking tanggapan. Gagawin kong kapakinabang ang bawat sandali sa lahat ng panahon sikapin kong makatugon sa mga hamon sa lingkod bayan. Ang lahat ng ito para sa ating dakilang lumikha at sa ating bayan. Kasihan nawa ako ng may kapal. Mga Asian hymn. Raise our flag sky high, embrace the pride in our hearts. Asian, we are bounded as one, looking out to the world. For peace our goal from the very start, and prosperity to last. We care to dream, we care to share, together for Asian. We care to dream, we care to share, for it is the way of Asian. Nurse to him. In the sunny southern clime, there's a school right for all time. Land was born our honored guide. Legacy state glory is our pride. For the many and the few, statue leads to heights anew. For the last and for the least, statue gives hope for the best. Azure blue and lily white, no standard plain inside. Leave the lamp of wisdom bright, nor so guide us for the right, and its pylons open wide, to be service on each side. For the future of this land, we stay, answers the demand. Azure blue and lily white, nurses guidance plain inside. Leave the lamp of wisdom bright, nor so guidance for the right, and its pylons open wide, to be service on each side. For the future of this land, you stay, answers the demand. Our pride, our hope, our future, Vegas Oriental State University. Lupang nila. Bayang maging, pwes na sila alat ng puso, sa dibdib mong buhay. Lupang hinili, tuyan ka ng magiting sa manlulupa. Di ka magsisi sa dagat at bundok, sa simot at sa langit mong bukal. May dilag ang tulang at tawag sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng mga tawag mo'y tagumpay na nagdiling. Ang bituin at araw ng kailan kung may di magdidilim. Lumang araw ng luwang hatid pagsinta, kalahit sa himno. Aming daya ng pag may mag-aapi ang mamatay nang dahil sa'yo. Panatang Makabayan. Panatang Makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinangan, tahanan na aking lahi. Kinukupot ko ang tinutulungan, aking malakas na sipag at mangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, tingin ko ang payo ng Pilipinas. Tingin ko ang tungkulay ng paaralan. Panatang Makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang silinganan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupot ko tinutulungan, maging malakas, masipag at mangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, tingin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susunin ko ang ipunin ng paaralan. Iaalay ko ang tungkulin ng mga bayan. Naglilingkod, nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap at sa bansang Pilipinas.